Ooh-wee! Now that's what I call satisfying your sweet tooth the right way. I'm gonna smash through this bad boy right now. And then I said, get your hand off the... Oh, are we live? Fitness. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dessert Won't Hurt, the series where I turn your favourite snacks into protein-packed desserts that won't affect your waistline or your performance in your workouts. The dessert today is so good it is actually out of this world. We are making Mars bar brownies and as always trying to hit our target of under 500 calories per serving and over 40 grams of protein. Make sure you stay until the end to see the Mars bar just melting all over the top of the brownies, as well as all of the nutritional info too. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to start off right here, making some preparations for the topping that's going to go on top of the brownies. We need 2 Mars bars, one is cut into chunks, second one is grated into fine pieces. Both of the Mars bars should be chilled or even frozen to make it easy to cut and to grate. Next up, 35 grams of coconut oil. This is going to keep the brownies nice and moist. You want to microwave the oil until it's into a liquid. And then we're adding our bulk brownie mix, as well as 45 grams of chocolate whey protein. Next up, we're going to add 2 eggs. And chuck a pinch of salt on top. And carefully adding 120 ml of almond milk, as well as 200 ml of liquid egg whites. Give it a good mix. And it's ready to go in a baking tray. Line the baking tray with grease-proof paper. And it's ready to go into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 6 to 7 minutes. Now it's time for the toppings. Place some chunks evenly across the entire surface of the brownie. And then carefully placing the grated Mars bar on top, in between, and all throughout the brownie mixture. A few extra chocolate chips. Back in the oven, 7 to 8 minutes. And you have to let it stand to allow it to cool. Woo-wee! Now that's what I call satisfying your sweet tooth the right way. 40 grams of protein, under 500 calories. That is satisfying your sweet tooth the right way. And I'm gonna stop this video right here because I'm gonna smash through this bad boy right now. I hope you enjoyed that recipe as much as I did. If you have made it this far, there is a big red button down there. Subscribe. Please click that for me. It helps the channel a lot more than you might think. And if you want to see more protein-packed desserts each week, that support really does go a long, long way. I'm trying to build an active community through this series. So if you are able to try this recipe, please do. And let us know in the comments section, as well as telling us your favorite snack that you want to see featured in the next video. If we reach our target of 50 likes on the video, there'll be a brand new episode coming next Wednesday, so make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.